Dynamic, let's go, go. 날 많이 구막해도 주력구 나를.
On tonight's episode, we're gonna draw the legendary Assassin Hit from Universe 6. Hit, also known as one of the strongest in the 6th universe, is one of the deadliest and one of the most powerful beings. He has the ability to time skip into the future, so he can smack down his enemies. I mean, I did draw him before, but I was a bit too... I didn't have the right picture. I hope you all can forgive me for that. Don't worry, I deleted it and put in a new one. This time, it is gonna be all prepared. I avoided your vitals, but you'll be healing real soon. Wow, I didn't know I could draw this small.
Let's go, go. 날 많이 구막해도 주력구 나를.
Alexa, play Dragon Ball Heroes.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission by Mark de Groot on Amazon Music.
Oh, how I miss this song. That's right, folks. I got Alexa back in action.
Far away, our wants are making the climb. I'll trust the power you've got inside. All of aim to be the stars of the stage. Moving our union through anything we face. Beyond the planets with a slam, slam, slam. You start the battle in a jam, jam, jam.
The final hit is a bam, bam, bam.
This heartbeat pounds my head, let's get started. First we're getting bumped, then we crash. Winning in the rough, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set. Through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's the tale of the pros when nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Can you hear a voice that gives out a cry? I'll trust the power you've got inside. All are trapped, their freedom gone in the war. Lost from the future that's just beyond the door. Break out of prison with a slam, slam, slam. No problem even in a jam, jam, jam.
We jump to action with a bam, bam, bam.
Light bursts from all the scene, let's get sparking. First we're getting bumped, then we clash. Winning in the rough, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sun is set through the universe.
I know he can't power up like a Saiyan, but he can get strong without any strength, without any addition to his power.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
Basically, Hit's one of my top 10 strongest fighters I love in Dragon Ball Fighters. And finished. There he is. That's how you draw a Hit.